Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we are going to be tackling my laundry room. This is one of my least favorite spots in the home to clean, but I knew that it needed to be clean. Mostly everything hanging in here belongs to me, and I wanted to make sure I cleaned this space to start our spring summer off, because it was just a hot mess. I mean, everything is dusty, dirty, and it just needs to be clean. Y'all, that shoe I've been looking for months. I was like, where is my shoe? I did not see it in my closet yet. It's in the laundry room. So I'm just literally taking everything out that can come out, and I'm going to just be really cleaning this laundry room out, and then just taking my time, because this is one of those spaces in the house that it really does get ignored. It's not a space where it's seen by the public or company, should I say, because I don't have everybody in my house. But when people come over, this is not a spot in the house that people get to see. So it's upstairs. It's not one of those places where it's downstairs and people can peek in the door. This is upstairs, so nobody really gets to see this. So I'm just taking my time and removing all these things that don't belong, hanging up things that belong, like this water bottle, that Gatorade bottle was so my husband could put water in the iron. It's just stuff like that needs to be fixed. So I'm working on that. And right now I'm trying to get up the floor it was not like nasty because stuff was all over it. It was dirty because it had a lot of dust. And if you all know anything about a laundry room, you got to get all that dust up, because of course a lot of fires and stuff get started. Lint, that's not the word I'm looking for. Lint. It was full of lint and dust, period. So I'm trying to get all that up, especially in the back. There was a lot of lint and dust in the back that I was trying to get cleaned up and pull it out. And then I even saw some on the other side of this, I call it my folding table, but it's right now I'm getting it all out now, but it's actually where I keep a lot of my cleaning supplies and laundry supplies. So I was trying to get everything up and get it cleaned up as best I could. So if you all are using me for motivation, welcome. I hope that you get a lot of motivation out of this video. If you don't have time to watch me right now, make sure you save me for later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please make sure you put me up on your TV, your device of choice, whether it's an Android, iPhone, iPad, anything, Samsung, tablet. Make sure that you put me up and let's clean together. So I hope, again, this is a lot of motivation for you. I'm trying to jam pack some videos in with some cleaning motivation. All right.